The first step in the process is to make a poly surface. And if you have a set of lines, you can use the Loft tool to create that. So these lines I created are 12 inches and I spaced them a total distance of 12 because for the demonstration purpose, I'm making a simple 12 by 12 laser cut waffle. So remember that the laser cutter takes inches as the unit. So you have to be careful that you've got the right units so that everything is very accurate. And just using the Loft tool is the best way to do that. So if we just type in Loft, we get a poly surface. And remember that this process is very complex. It can be very complex. So take the lines that created the Loft and move them before you go on to the next step for creating the wooden pieces, okay? So there are some design considerations when what you see on the screen is going to be translated into laser cut pieces. So you want to make something that is not too small because a tiny little laser cut wooden form that's complicated, you'd never be able to put it together. You don't want like very small intricate pieces because they might break. So as you're assembling all the pieces, if you have something that'll just break apart as you build it, it can be a real problem because putting all the pieces together is kind of like a three-dimensional jigsaw puzzle. So you need to be aware of that. You can't just automatically laser cut anything you see on the screen because it may be totally unworkable. So keep that in mind.